How to see hidden information on Facebook Marketplace. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the Marketplace icon at the top of the screen, and here you can select different categories as well. I'm going to select on electronics, and let's see for different devices. Now if you want to see the hidden information, just tap on any of these products, and on the description you can see the option of hidden information. So if you want to watch it, what you can simply do is tap on the share icon, simply tap on copy link, then go back and launch the Chrome browser on your device. To do that, you can just paste the link that you have just copied, and instead of www you can just replace it with m and then make a search over here. So as you do that, you can just scroll down, and when you tap on the hidden information, you'll be able to see the information that was hidden over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.